The person who coined the phrase, life begins at 40, must have imagined that by 40, by the time you achieve 40 years, you will have already built your lifestyle portfolio and your security portfolio. This is when you consider you to have achieved full financial freedom. And from this point, you can now start enjoying your life. And hence, life indeed should begin at 40. In today's video, I'll be unveiling the third type of portfolio that I believe you must have when you have gained full financial freedom. And this portfolio is called the Aspirational portfolio. My name is Pius Mugo, the Managing Director of Nabo Capital, and you're watching Invest in Africa. So what is aspirational portfolio? And I like to think about aspirational portfolio from two angles. One is building your luxury assets. You have worked so hard. You have secured the lifestyle of your family. You have secured the security of your family. And now it's time to enjoy your life. This is the time that you want to build up, or rather to upgrade from a Toyota to a sports Range Rover. This is the time you start thinking, where does the president live? I want to live in the same neighborhood. You move from a middle income neighborhood to an affluent neighborhood. This is the time you start thinking of owning a holiday home, a second home. This is what we call luxury assets, and there are very many. You know, I remember a good friend of mine once told me, Pius, I want to change my sports Range Rover every 2 years, and it struck me. And I said, it's not, the person was not being extravagant, but this person has truly worked hard, and his feeling, I could identify with it, that he does not want to drive old cars. The second dimension of aspirational portfolio that comes to mind is philanthropic assets. And this is where we help you to put together a portfolio that generates income year in, year out, and use that income or a portion of that income to finance philanthropic activities. And this is the reason why you see the richest men and women in the world end up putting together foundations, charities. And I want to give the example of Bill Gates. Bill Gates and his wife, Melinda, they put together the Bill and Melinda Foundation, which has over $50 billion. And this particular foundation has three purposes: to fund, to enhance healthcare, to eradicate poverty, and to enhance education. And this is why you see Bill Gates traveling around the world, and I think he's been to Africa many times on campaigns around malaria, around HIV/AIDS, and many other activities. And this is a very, very satisfying portfolio because it is able to impact on the society. And here people normally are asking themselves, who will miss me beyond my family? And the people that you help are the people who will always miss you. And that's why we are very convinced that it is a good thing for people to undertake philanthropic activities, and that requires some rigorous planning and requires some investment mind to be put in place, so that these activities are not for a short time but for a long time. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has inspired you to break beyond just achieving true financial freedom and set up your first aspirational portfolio and start living as widely as you have wanted, or rather enjoying your life as you have always wanted, and impacting the society as you have always wanted. In the next video, I will be unveiling the fourth kind of portfolio that I believe every every ambitious man or woman or family must have. My name is Pius Mugo, the Managing Director of Nabo Capital, and you're watching Invest in Africa.